Hello, welcome to the Christerbelle Adventures. Today I have another unboxing, this time my very first FabFitFun box. So here we go, let's get started. I want to start off by saying that I purchased the fall subscription box myself, but I became an affiliate of FabFitFun after I received the box. So the link in the description below is my affiliate link. As of the time of this filming, the fall box was still available, and I have a $10 off code, and I'll flash it up on the screen. The code is HARVEST, H-A-R-V-E-S-T. So if you use that code, you get $10 off the fall subscription box until they run out. As a first-time customer of FabFitFun, I was able to customize some of the items in my box. So as I open it up here, the inside has, oh, it's just gorgeous. How beautiful is that? Okay, as I open up my box, I have a, looks like a magazine, the fall edition. Inside the magazine is information about all of the items in the box, as well as some other fun things to read. There is a coupon for $50 off HelloFresh. There is more information on, Luna Risa? On Luna bars. There is, share the love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on to your friend and you will get $10 off your first box. Oh, wonderful. And then, open the paper. I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Look at this. Try not to get everything try not to let everything fall out. We have a shower gel, blue in Capri. Kind of smells woodsy to me. It says, with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Definitely smell the sage in there. Oh, one of the Luna bars. Oh, this is cashew butter. But first, coffee. This is one of the things I chose. This should be the French press coffee maker. So the French press is one of the items I chose in there. My husband and I have been wanting a French press instead of getting the teapot that was in there. And while I drink a lot of tea, most of the tea I drink is in tea bags, to be honest. And so here it is. But first, coffee, the French press. Oh, I'm so excited about that. These hand towels by Simply Whimsical. There are two of them that came in the box. They are gray and white, kind of a chevron-y pattern. And they are kind of a coarser, still soft, but a coarser material. And this by Grown Alchemist, Hydro Repair Day Cream. It looks like it says, oh, Camilla Geranium Blossom. Ooh, that smell. I love that smell. Tube looks like. As you can see, it's not super thick. It says Camellia and Geranium Blossom, but to me, I smell a little bit more like oranges or some kind of citrus anyway. There is, these are one of the items I was able to choose. I chose white Bluetooth headphones, so that will be really good. Because the headphones that came with my phone, I don't love. I switched from an Apple to an Android, and I don't love the headphones that came with it. But I'm very much looking forward to these. And I have a pink beauty blender. I have never used one of these before. So I'll have to learn how to use it, I guess. Next item, let's see, Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. Oh, this should be kind of fun. This Do It All Total Eye Cream by Pharmacy has a wooden lid, but it doesn't really have a smell to it. Oh, it's thick. It's really, really thick. That's nice. I like that. And there are two bubble sheet oxygenating deep cleansing mask. Here, oh, Hollywood, California, 2 masks. Do a mask twice a week, so this will be really fun. And I got 2 of them, so I'm excited about that. And then this was the item that I got, one of the items I got to choose. It's a tote bag. I already know that. And I chose the like brown looking one. The tote bag comes in a dust cover, which is nice to keep it in. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at this leathery tote bag. Oh, nice. Oh, it feels really nice. I'm very much looking forward to this. And the inside it has a little card with the care instructions. Very fun. There it was, my very first FabFitFun box for fall of 2018. I want to thank my sister for introducing me to FabFitFun. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, bye!